Hello, it's Bix Weekly, back with another video. This time it's just another sleeper budget PC build update. There it is. I don't think I ever uploaded the video about the actual, I made a little video about actually changing all of this, but I didn't include the mic stand and a few other things. So I thought I'd just re-record and do it like with full of everything, like with finished. But basically I'm finished with the setup. I'll do another video for when I get the monitor stand and when I get what I'm going to be talking about in a few minutes. And that, actually let's go ahead and do that first. Basically, I like the setup, but the speakers are too far apart, you know, like this one barely has any length left. And I want to flip this monitor into portrait mode, just in portrait, and it's going to be all on one stand with one stand, like, I'll put it up on screen now. That's what I'm gonna get. It's like 40 bucks, so it's not a big deal. But the thing that really sucks is this. And the reason it is like this and not, you know, over there, is because of Wi-Fi. Let me bring my light down here. Very professional setup, I know. It's because Wi-Fi, you can see those antenna right there. They get absolutely no reception or absolutely no signal when they're facing away. I got as low as 0.71 megabytes per second down with them right there. So I was just like, oh crap. So I just moved it over and now I get an average of maybe 15. So, and our plan, just so you know, our plan is actually around 100. So I should be getting 100 down, and I'm not. So we definitely need to change that. That's why I'm going to lead into what I'm going to be plugging in right there, and that is a power line adapter. I'll try to bring it up right here real quick. Go and go to there. This is what I'm getting. That is not an American port, I do not think. But yeah, this is what I'm getting. Basically what it does, and it sounds impossible, I still don't think it's possible, but somehow it is. You plug one of these in right next to your modem, and then you plug the Ethernet into that, and then you plug the other one, because it comes with two, there's only one pictured, you plug the other one near your setup, and then you take an Ethernet cord, plug it out, and then they just know each other are there, and then you get signal, like close to Ethernet speeds. It sends the signal through the wall somehow. If I'm wrong, please correct me, because I still don't think it's possible, but somehow it is. And you know, for a gigabit, it's really not that much. You know, 50 bucks, I think I could do that. I get horrible speeds up here, so I need to do that. My card ran out of space right there. But anyway, yeah, other future plans are replacing this with a proper gaming keyboard. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of partial to Speed Silvers. I think I'm gonna go with Cherry MX Speed Silvers. I love those, but they're hard to find. I think they're the coolest sounding. Maybe browns, maybe blues. I mean, I just gotta decide. And of course, monitor stand. Sorry, it's so dusty. I didn't really do much planning for this video. I also got this little dude, the stand for around 13 bucks. It's not the newer one. It's like the newer brand name, Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R. It's actually one by Inagear, and I think it's fine. I like it. 13 bucks. It's solid. And it just goes right behind there. I also think I'm going to be actually moving it to the side here. And then of course, when I get the power line adapter, I'm going to move my PC possibly up. Possibly. I don't know for sure. Possibly up here. Or possibly just kind of shift it. And then of course, cable management. It is hell right now, and I will fix it at some point when I have money. But of course, these things aren't #1 priorities. Really, the #1 priority is the monitor stand and this, and of course, saving for a car, which I actually need to do, but I'm stupid. New monitors, way down the road. Like, I'm talking years, possibly. I'm fine with the resolution. I'm fine with everything so far. VGA does get a little annoying, but the interference will stop once I get Ethernet again, or the power line adapter, because that does not require a wireless card. I will have to change out because my motherboard's NIC is famous for not working at all, and mine it doesn't work either. So I have to have a Ethernet PCIe adapter. I'll have to put that back in, and maybe possibly some LED strips behind the desk. A new mouse pad, of course. Actually, one more thing, I'm stupid. I'm going to get a Kingston 240 gig SSD in the near future. I have two 7200 RPM. Oh, there's some interference. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's some slight interference. What is going on with my phone? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get a Kingston 240 gig SSD at some point. I need your guys' help. I already asked Reddit. That's why Reddit was open earlier. I don't know how I can take off the OS from one of the hard drives, but keep all the files on it. If you guys can show me how to do that, that'd be awesome. I'd love you so much, because my friend said that motherboards usually remember the product key of Windows, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I just don't really. I want the OS and my most important files on the new SSD. So if you guys can guide me through, that'd be amazing. So now,